How to fix Hogwarts legacy ghosting issue. 1. Exit then restart the game. 2. Reboot your system. 3. Update your PC GPU drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. PC players, set anti-aliasing to DLAA. And, turn off DLSS. Refer to the IMG below. 5. Disable performance mode. FYI, 5. 1. Fidelity, a high-fidelity rendering mode favoring resolution and graphical quality. 5.2 Performance, a high frame rate mode favoring performance. 5.3 Balanced, a rendering mode aiming for balance between resolution, graphics quality, and performance. Only available on supported output devices. 5.4 HFR Performance, an ultra-high frame rate mode favoring maximum performance. Only available on supported output devices. 6. Turn off high contrast gameplay. 7. Repair the game files in Steam.